Hello and welcome back. So on today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this professional email signature on Gmail. But first, an email signature is like a digital handshake. I mean, it tells people who you are, how to reach you, and also it adds this polished touch to every email. So whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or you just want to make your emails look professional, so we can create this customized email signature. It's also an easy way to promote your brand. I mean, like when you add your website like this, or you add your social media handles, people can easily click on any of this because it's actually clickable and it takes them directly to your social media page. Now that you know why it matters, let's get right into creating your own customized email signature. And if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe and like for more videos I'm going to be dropping. Thank you. First, we are going to start from customizing your email signature. So we'll come here and insert table. Go to table and then you click on two because we're just using two of this, and you click into it and hit enter. So it gives us enough space to insert my picture. Then draw this closer, and then we are going to go to insert and we go to image. Then we'll upload image from your computer. So you're going to upload your headshot, any headshot you want to use for this, and then we're bringing in my headshot here. So you're going to drag this up, drag it up. So you can also try to resize it to look smaller just so it fits into the signature, and to reduce this. So try and resize everything so it looks okay. So I already have this email format, but I would still also add it to the description, to the video description, so you can copy it and edit your details. So but firstly, how to get this LinkedIn. So we'll go to Pinterest and click on LinkedIn logo. So you'll be able to get any of these logos. So just like here, we can just copy this one and come to the document and paste it here. And you also, like, once you paste it, you'll be able to resize it. And then once you resize it, you go to this insert link, and this is where you're going to insert your link, the link to your YouTube channel or the link to any of these social media handles that is here. So let's use this for an example. I'm going to delete this again. So you come to Pinterest, then you click on YouTube logo. This is how you're going to do for the other logos you're going to be adding. So you click on this, copy image, and we're going to come back here to the signature place, and we are going to paste it, and you drag and resize it to fit. So you keep dragging and resizing it so once it matches to the other sides of the. So I'm okay with this now. So I go to my YouTube channel, I copy my YouTube channel link and come to here where it says insert, and I'm going to insert my logo. So I'm going to insert my channel link and click on apply. So with this way, you're going to also go to Instagram, copy your Instagram link and also insert it here. Same thing you're going to do for every other logo you're going to be asking, and same thing you're going to do for every other logo you're going to be adding, whether it is LinkedIn or TikTok. So why this is important is that people can click on any of these logo and it takes them directly to your YouTube channel or your Instagram handle, so they can check out your services or check out your business. So once this is done, we are going to highlight everything here, and you go to format and go to table, and we go to table options, and we are going to go to table color, and we'll use white. So all that border colors have been removed, but we're going to now click in the middle so we can bring back the middle separator. So we go up here, follow my mouse, and then we click on black, so it has brought this back. So here we are now going to click on this again, and then we'll go here so we can increase it a bit. So here it's more defined now. If you would like to reduce the height of the line, you can reduce the height, or you can increase whatever you want to. So in some cases where these letters might be all joined together, you can just highlight them and come here where it says line spacing. You can reduce the lines, or you can also increase the spacings. So here now we have our customized signature. So the next part is that we're going to copy this, Ctrl C, and then you're going to come to your Gmail. To open your Gmail, here where it says settings, you click on settings, and then we're going to see all settings, and you're going to scroll down to where it says signature. Then it says create new. So here we are going to say, okay, if this is a work signature, you say work. If it's a business signature, you can put business or personal. So then we click on create, and this is where we are going to now paste what we copied from the Google document, which is your signature, and here you have it. And you scroll down a little bit to this signature default and click on work for this, and also click on work for this. So once you've added all this, you go down to the bottom and click on save changes. Once you've clicked on save changes, we're going to come to compose, and now that email signature has been added. Whenever you're writing an email, this signature is going to be at the bottom of your email. So now the importance of these social media logos we added is that anybody can click on this logo and it takes them directly to your social media pages, just in case they want to check out what you do and who you are. And note that you can also add more than one signature to your email. You can add multiple signatures. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification button for more videos I'm going to be